welcome back to our channel Life Review. My name is Deb and today we'll be doing an unboxing of a very unique knife here. It's been a long time since I did the unboxing of any knife here, and yeah, I thought this will be a good candidate for me to get back into reviewing knives. So this looks like a card. It is named Cardsharp and credit card folding safety knife. So this looks absolutely beautiful, and this is from Sinclair, IanSinclair. And okay, warning, sharp, open with care. All right, let's just go ahead and do a quick unboxing. Okay, and this is how it looks. And most innovative pocket knife in the world, just 3 folding. Okay, you can pause the video and if you want to read it, you can read it from here. So yeah, don't want to waste any more time on that. So, and some documentation here. Okay, let's see. So they have given facts. So Cardsharp originally designed as a lightweight surgical knife, okay, easily transported. Long 65 mm cutting edge, cut through a tennis ball. Oh wow. And it weighs only 14 grams, so that is very lightweight. It's a great chef knife. Okay, a knife is a man's most basic tool. Okay, thanks here. Okay, army, Swiss army pen knife, closed modes are here. All right, now let's have a look at the knife itself. So I wanted this because as you can see, this is like a card, and I wanted something to carry with me in my wallet. I cannot carry a knife around like in the open, and I think this is a very good candidate. This looks sharp, and this also has a safety button here. So as you can see, this is locked and it's showing green, and what you have to do is just turn it and it's unlocked now, and the green is invisible now. So Sinclair branding here, IanSinclair. Here is again another branding here, IanSinclair, some number, Cardsharp, that is the name of this product, and IanSinclair.com. We have some dots here, we'll see what it does, and some dots here which fits here on the back. So this is just the locking mechanism. All right, so this is how it opens, and let me turn this around. This is how it locks, and it locks with a click. Very, I would say this entire thing turns into the handle. Very good design, very nifty design. Is very lightweight and it is sharp. It is very sharp, as you can see, and quite thin. And I can tell you guys, this is razor sharp. This will cut and cut very easily. So you can use it for self-defense, you can use it as a utility tool, you can use it to cut open boxes, and of course you can always have this around with you. Let me just compare this with the credit card. So I have a card here, and as you can see, this is exactly the same size as a credit card. So very handy, very thin, and it will easily fit in your card pouch, card case. So I would say, yeah, go for it. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and check out one of our latest videos here. Goodbye.